कहते हैं सिनेमा समाज का दर्पण होता है। फिल्में ना सिर्फ इतिहास को दर्शाती हैं बल्कि समाज की कमियों को भी उजागर करती हैं। इसी कड़ी में नोएडा स्थित मार्वा स्टूडियो में 123वां शॉर्ट डिजिटल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ AAFT का आयोजन किया गया। द्वीप प्रज्वलन और गणेश वंदना के साथ कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत की गई। कार्यक्रम में फर्नांडो बुचेली, एम्बेसडर ऑफ इक्वाडोर टू इंडिया, डॉक्टर श्रीनिवास आर कावेती, इंटरनेशनल लॉयर, शिवानी पांडे, फिल्म मेकर एंड जर्नलिस्ट, डॉक्टर विजय लक्ष्मी, प्रोफेसर मनोज कुमार अग्रवाल, डायरेक्टर एकेडमिक्स AAFT, योगेश मिश्रा, डीन AAFT ने अपनी उपस्थिति दर्ज कराई। कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित अतिथि गण को बुके भेंट कर स्वागत किया गया। फर्नांडो बुचेली, एम्बेसडर ऑफ इक्वाडोर टू इंडिया ने कहा, फिल्मों के माध्यम से हम किसी भी देश की संस्कृति, वहाँ का खान पान और रहन सहन के बारे में जान पाते हैं। डॉक्टर श्रीनिवास आर कावेती ने कहा, जब भी हमें किसी देश के बारे में जानना हो तब हमें उस देश पर बनी फिल्मों को देखना चाहिए। वहां मौजूदा सभी अतिथिगण ने शॉर्ट डिजिटल फिल्मों पर अपने अपने विचार व्यक्त किए और स्टूडेंट्स को मेहनत करने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया। बता दें कि कार्यक्रम में AAFT स्टूडेंट्स द्वारा बनाई गई द कर्स्ड पेंटिंग, चंदू की गर्लफ्रेंड, नॉक एंड बैंग, सवार लूं आदि शॉर्ट फिल्मों की स्क्रीनिंग की गई। कार्यक्रम के अंत में प्रोफेसर मनोज कुमार अग्रवाल ने मौजूदा अतिथिगण को लाइफ मेंबरशिप सर्टिफिकेट देकर सम्मानित किया।
So, what do you want to say about the Festival of Digital Short Films?
Thank you very much. First of all, my name is Fernando Buchelli. I'm ambassador of Ecuador. It's a real honor to be here in this 1, 2, 3 times festival. It is so important. We have a witness of so talent. Students produces such wonderful films. Films is the best way to connect cultures. Before coming in India, this is my first time 1 year ago, but I know India through the films. Films may connect pictures, may connect hearts, may connect people. So I really congratulate and encourage to the students to have chance to also have the films in my country, Ecuador.
This is the first time I'm, attending the film festival. I did watch, but not the digital film festival. I was really taken aback when I saw the talent of the students, and I made a decision that I want to, do a real film with the students. I'll be honest with you. And the film, which was, I think, some of us, shot here, and the artists were students. It was marvelous. And the third one was amazing. It was really touching. I wish the students that they shall make more films like this and show the world, as earlier the ambassador said, to connect the dots between the East and West and between the world. So I congratulate them, and I see that they will make more films like this, because if you see the world now, India is, superpower, I would say, in filmmaking too, more than Hollywood and any other industries. And a lot of...
Hi, so I'm so happy to be here at the festival, digital festival at AAFT, and I've been here a few times, in fact many times before, and I know the quality of filmmaking that students do over here, but today I think what I saw today was definitely exceptional work, composition wise, acting wise. These guys are like already professionals. I think it's just a matter of time before they're going to do wonders. I think the students who made the films, and many congratulations to the students, and I think I'm happy that I was able to see some budding talent at the work of budding talent and future filmmakers of our country. Any questions specific you want to ask?
Being a filmmaker, you watch the films the student directed. So, do you think there's a difference between professionalism and student and make videos?
I think it's. I think the professional wise, like acting wise, the camera angle wise, as a filmmaker, I honestly could not pinpoint the mistakes or anything. But I think the script wise, it's going to get matured, because technically you're very strong, but as your mind grows, you become older, so your script and your stories will be more mature. That only I feel that with time guys will do better, but better, I won't say it's not good. The stories were like unique, different, but there's a word missing, that word, abstract kind of topics. But so storyline can mature, but otherwise technically everything was very strong, including acting and everything. So many congratulations. I'm so happy I could witness, because it's always nice to see what young people are doing now. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks.